Hi everyone, so today is Bhai Phota and like I am my brother's sister and my uncle is my mom's brother. So today we are going to see how we celebrate Bhai Phota in our family. So let's go. So we take like a plate and then there's like lots of things. I've never seen Bhai Phota before because we were in UK, now we're in India, so this is my first time. And then that phota is the meaning is when you put that bindi on your brother's head. But I can't do it to my brother because my brother is only 3.5. We need to wait until he's 5.
মা কি করছে মামাইকে কি করছে মা মা কি করছে
ভাতের সাথে
না দিদিকে নামো কার
না না নাম করতে হবে ঠাকুর ঠাকুরের সামনে ঠাকুর
ও আচ্ছা ঠাকুর সঙ্গে করতে হবে
তুমি তোমাকে দিয়ে একবার করছো না নিয়ে নাও